This is a certified pre-owned 2007 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 67,000 miles. Not to mention that this Acura qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.